Welcome to our next segment, Guest Host Chef Kitchen.
आज आमच्या बरोबर परत आसात शेफ शिवा. वेलकम शिवा.
Welcome back to Guest Host Chef's Kitchen. Today, apart from the regular stuff, we will try to do some Italian stuff. Of course, Italian. The minute you hear Italian, what normally you get in your mind?
Italian, pastas.
Pasta, pizzas. Of course, yes. But apart from those stuff, we have a few more recipes which is very easy to prepare, and a few ingredients. Maybe even if you don't get some of the ingredients what I am going to introduce now for this particular recipe, we can actually replace them with a few other ingredients. So before we go into the thing, and I'll try to explain the ingredients required to prepare the dish. Basil leaves, that is Italian herbs, chili flakes, onions, garlic, mixed peppers, salt, parsley, tomato puree, black olives, crushed pepper, oil, and chicken mince. And the name of the dish is going to be chicken roulade with a tangy tomato.
Wow.
Okay, so I hope it sounds good at this, and it's going to taste much better. So first we need to take a chicken breast, and we just need to slit into two.
Mr. Shiva, I would like to interrupt you.
Yeah, please.
I will move out and Avinash will continue with you.
Yeah, definitely. No.
But Avinash, I will be back to taste it.
Yes, sure.
Slit the chicken breast lengthwise and just cut into half.
Okay.
Very simple. Now you take a plastic wrap, place it over the chicken. You can do one by one if you want.
Okay.
And use the meat millet just to flatten it. The role of the plastic wrap is just to ensure the meat doesn't get tear.
Okay.
Okay?
I'll try.
Yeah, please. I know you're a strong man, but don't use all your force. Yeah, that's good
enough. Is it okay?
That's good enough.
Yeah.
Now you just need to marinate the chicken breast with a little bit of salt. Just sprinkle over. Little bit of crushed pepper.
Okay.
And ensure you do the same thing on both the sides. Salt again. Pepper. And sprinkle few drops of olive oil.
Olive oil.
Yes.
Okay.
I can say most or all the Italian recipes, they use olive oil instead of regular vegetable oil or the normally what we use. It is marinated, and you can even sprinkle shredded basil. This gives you a real nice flavor. Once this marination is done, you just need to leave it in the refrigerator for a while.
Okay.
And meanwhile, we will prepare the stuffing. Just take a small bowl. We require chicken mince, then a little bit of onions, little bit of garlic, chopped parsley, salt, and some black olives, and some mixed peppers.
This is for marination.
Yeah, this is for the stuffing.
Oh, stuffing.
Yeah, chicken is already been marinated and we kept it in the refrigerator.
Okay.
And we just make a nice stuffing which goes inside the chicken. And we're gonna just put it and roll it nicely.
Okay.
And we're gonna cook it. Mix it well and just keep aside for a while. And we can start with the sauce, accompaniment sauce. It's a tangy tomato. What I just mentioned is gonna be tangy tomato. In a vessel, just take a little oil.
Olive oil, I guess.
Yes, it's olive oil. Heat the olive oil, garlic, chopped garlic, and finely chopped garlic. saute it till it is golden brown. A little red chilies, and this can be varied based on your. You like more spicy, you can go for a little more.
You can do it as spicy also.
Yes. Then add the tomatoes. And of course the colored peppers.
Okay.
Add little salt and the tomato puree. At this stage, you just need to add a little bit of stock. Stock is nothing but just the flavored liquid.
Flavored liquid.
Yeah. Where you just blanch or boil the vegetables, and whatever the liquid comes, just you add
Now what are
to enhance the flavor. Let the sauce simmer for a while, so that meanwhile we can go and stuff our chicken.
ये फ्रिज में क्यों रखा था ये?
It will take, I mean, whenever you do any kind of a marination for the meat, if you just rest it for a while in the refrigerator, it absorbs the whatever the seasonings that you are applying on it, and it will taste much better. That's for with any meat. It need not to be it need not to be a chicken or a mutton or anything. Anything that can go directly into the refrigerator immediately after marination.
Okay.
Just you are applying the mince meat onto the flattened and seasoned meat. Then carefully roll it. Just like this. Very simple. Nice and tight. You don't really have to seal all the sides also, because we're gonna grill the thing, and when you actually grill it, nothing definitely will not come out.
Okay.
So you can just have it like this, and it is ready to cook.
अभी ये कुक करना होगा.
हाँ. Grill के ऊपर cook करने का. You just need to let it boil nicely, and you can add some shredded basil, which gives nice flavor to the sauce.
तो ज़्यादातर इटालियन डिशेस रहते हैं उसमें ये लीव्स यूज़ किया गया है.
Basil leaves. I can say, I mean, to give you a best example or a best similarity, it is a tulsi family.
तुलसी में.
Yeah. And meanwhile, let us cook our chicken. Take a non-stick pan, little bit of olive oil again. Just leave it on there. Once it is hot,
ये कुक होने में कितना टाइम लगेगा उसको?
chicken, it doesn't take more than 10 minutes.
10.
And we are using the breast, chicken breast, which is a very soft meat, and it is already flattened.
Okay.
So all the connective tissues are broken. So it hardly takes any time. Maybe 2-3 minutes, you're done. You just need to ensure that it is cooked from all the sides. That is the only thing you need to be careful. You just need to stir it once in a while.
Okay. So this is ready?
Yeah, that's ready. You can just turn off the gas. Your chicken is also almost done.
Cooked.
Yes. 2 more minutes, you are ready to have it.
Okay.
Nice golden brown. Now, time for the presentation.
अभी ये
Yeah. Now this roulade.
अभी उसका पीस.
Yeah, just cut them nicely. Arrange them. Just pour the sauce, tangy tomato onto it.
Our dish is ready.
Yes. Just garnish it with A nice basil leaf. Here we go. Chicken roulade with tangy tomato is ready.
Yes, आमची ही डिश रेडी जाल्ली आसा. अपर्णा तू येऊ शकता आता टेस्ट करपाक. अपर्णा, डिश रेडी.
So the chicken roulade with tangy tomato is all set. I shall taste it. It's very nice. So you guys there, you all can think something else also rather than pastas and pizzas. Very nice.
आवडली डिश.
Very very.
चिकन रोलाड विथ टँजी टोमॅटो खातीर तुमकां लागतले चिकन ब्रेस्ट, चेचून घेतलेल्यो सुक्यो मिरसांगो, कांदो, लसूण, टोमॅटो प्युरी, मोठ्यो मिरसांगो, ब्लॅक ऑलिव्स, कोथमीर, मीठ, ऑलिव्ह ऑयल, चिकन मिन्स, बेसिल, बारीक चिरून घेतलेलो टोमॅटो आनी चॉप्ड पार्सली. चिकन ब्रेस्टाक पयलीं ऑलिव्ह ऑयल, मिरया पिठो आनी कापलेले बेसिल घालून मॅरिनेट करून दवरपाचें. दुसऱ्या सायडीक स्टफिंग तयार करपा खातीर एका बोलान चिकन मिन्स, कांदो, लसूण, चॉप्ड पार्सली, मीठ, ब्लॅक ऑलिव्स, मोठ्यो मिरसांगो हे सगळें मिक्स करून घेवपाचें. टँजी टोमॅटो सॉस तयार करपा खातीर एका पॅनान ऑलिव्ह ऑयल घालून ताचेर बारीक चिरिल्लो कांदो, लसूण, चेचून घेतलेल्यो मिरसांगो, टोमॅटो, मोठ्यो मिरसांगो आनी टोमॅटो प्युरी घालून थोडो वेळ शिजोवन घेवप. मॅरिनेटेड चिकन ब्रेस्टान स्टफिंग घालून रोल करून घेवपाचें. एका पॅनान तेल घालून रोल शॅलो फ्राय करून घेवन ताचेर टँजी टोमॅटो सॉस घालून सर्व करपाचें.
And the journey continues in search of good food and just good food.
तुमच्या एरियेन असे काय लोकल फूड जॉइंट्स आसात आणि तांची कितें तरी स्पेशालिटी आसात जाल्यार आमकां कळयात.
And we will be there to bite it.
You can contact us at features@prudentmedia.in.
ना जाल्यार तुम्ही आमकां कॉन्टॅक्ट करू शकतात 9011043343 or 92. For now, bye bye.
Bite, eat and stay connected with us.
Don't forget to watch our next episode at the same day and same time.
Till then, keep watching Prudent Media.
This program brought to you by Guesto Culinary and Hospitality Academy. Guesto, cook and taste with a difference.
Watch Guestos Bite It on every Friday at 7:30 in the evening and 9:30 at night. You can also watch it on Sunday at 11:30 in the morning and 6 o'clock in the evening. On Tuesday, 12:30 in the afternoon and 5 o'clock in the evenings.